would be for owners of Chevrolet and GM products. Hey guys, Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. Just wanted to jump on here real quick. I had a check engine light come on, 2014 Chevy Equinox. And when I put my scanner on the car, it came up with a code P0121. So I became a little concerned. I jumped on YouTube. I think the guy's channel was the Car Doctor. I looked at his recommendations of cleaning out the throttle body and all this other stuff, and okay, sounds pretty good. But I said, well, let me go and let me check my oil. Let me see, let me see if my oil is good. Because if your oil is low in this type of vehicle, check engine light will come on. So what I did, I checked the engine oil. Engine oil was low. I put some oil in there, and as you can see, guys, stop the car, the light goes out. You don't have to reset anything, you don't have to do anything. Done deal. So just wanted to get on here real quick and tell you, if you get that code P0121 while you're driving, suddenly, before you do anything, check your engine oil first. All right, guys, love you guys. Appreciate you checking out the channel. Please hit that subscribe button. I need to get my subs up, and I appreciate that. You guys help to keep me doing these videos. It helps me and it helps you. Hit that like, share, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button. Hit that sub button. I appreciate that. It doesn't cost you anything. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.